What's it take to become a full-time Forex trader? Let's talk about that and more right now. Hi traders, it's Andrew Mitchem here, the Forex Trading Coach. Today is Friday the 29th of May and I want to talk about becoming a full-time trader. It's a topic that so many people ask me about, and it's one of those things that's a little bit frustrating because so many people come to me and they say, hey Andrew, I've heard about this trading thing, I've got $100, I think I can make it, I think I can become a full-time trader. And I never hear from them again. And it's one of those things that because Forex trading's put out there on the internet to be like not a get-rich-quick scheme, but something that doesn't take a lot of effort and you're going to make a lot of money and solve all your financial problems. That, unfortunately, is the perception that too many people have. And in reality, it's like anything. It takes anything that's good. It takes hard work, it takes dedication, it takes consistency. And it's really important that you understand that if you wanted to become a full-time trader. Now, just last week, I had a visit from a client of mine called Stefan, who lives up in Auckland in New Zealand, about a 2-hour drive from me. And he came down to see me because he wanted to tell me that after 5 years of being with my course, he's now packed in his job. And he was actually on a tour of the area around me, seeing some of his clients. He worked for a big finance company on a very good wage, I'd imagine. And he was actually seeing these clients saying, like I'm finishing and I'm going to be trading full time. And he just wanted to see them as a courtesy call. But he came to see me to say thanks for your course, for inspiring him into trading, but also to sticking with it. And that's the important thing. See, for the last 3 years, Stefan's just made absolutely phenomenal gains. But he didn't jump into quitting his job and trading full time, after 2 weeks of having good gains. He's consistently, logged into my webinars. He's consistently logged into my membership site, looked at trades, asked questions, phoned me, been to see me. And, he's taken the effort and he's not rushed into it and jumped in both feet or dived in head first. Whatever phrase it is you want to use, he's not done that. He's been with me for 5 years. He's had 3 excellent years on a live account. He's got it all tracked in terms of his performance, and he's been trading at very low risk, exactly like he wants to continue now that he's a full-time trader. He's taken that decision to go full-time. And I said to him, look, why have you done that? And of course, the obvious of not wanting to work for someone else, not wanting to travel, etc., like that, and being your own boss. But also, he said that he's that happy with his trading that to him it's just now the natural progression. Yes, sure, he wants to start trading for some other people over time and take his trading bigger and bigger and further. But right now, he's just happy to trade for himself, making excellent returns, taking very little time per day. He mostly trades the daily charts and I think a little bit of the 4-hour charts, but not a lot, mostly daily charts. So he's really actually only going to be doing, say, half an hour of trading each day, and maybe at the weekend just looking at the markets, looking at, say, like the longer time frame charts, the weekly charts, etc., and taking his trading from there. So when people say to me, hey Andrew, what's it take to become a trader? I say, well, number one, you've got to give it time. If you want to have any skill in life, then you've got to give it time. I started to learn to fly a helicopter 3 years ago. It took me a long time, more than most, to be able to pass my initial private pilot's test. But I didn't want to rush it. I wanted to get it right. And now that I've been passed my license for about well over a year now, anyway, I'm enjoying that hard work. I'm enjoying the rewards of that hard work and dedication up front, and that dedication of money, a dedication of time, of commitment, of learning, of doing lessons, doing exams, etc. And the Forex market is absolutely no different. You have to accept that you're going to get ups and downs. It's definitely not going to work perfect all the time, especially at the beginning. I suppose there's one thing that does annoy me is that when people come to me and say, Andrew, look, I've taken your course and now, after 2 weeks, it's just not working or I'm not profitable. It's take your time. It really is not a rush. It's a journey trading, ups and downs, good times, bad times. And over time, you'll figure out what works for you. And if you stick at it and you dedicate your time and your effort into it, it will work. So I hope that helps. If you're looking to become a full-time trader, take on board what I've just said. And once again, this is Andrew Mitchem, the Forex trading coach from the beautiful Sunshine Coast in Australia. Talk to you this time next week.